Hi guys. All right, so I'm showing you a picture of the water cycle. All right, and the reason why I'm showing this to you is because I'm going to read a story that has connection to this lesson. And yeah, the story would be about raindrops. Okay, so that's why I have connected the story to this lesson. So this lesson has something to do with water cycle. Right, water cycle has this procedure. So the procedure would be, or the process would be condensation, precipitation, collection, and evaporation. Yay! Yes, you guys are very, very right. Now, I'm going to show you another picture that will explain as well what is condensation, what is evaporation, collection, and precipitation. Right, you see this picture. Right, what is condensation? Condensation is a process by which water vapor in the air change into liquid water. Right? It is water vapor in the air that change into liquid water. What about precipitation? There we go. Precipitation is water released from the clouds in the form of rain. Right? So that is the water that comes from the clouds, which is called rain. What about collection? Collection is when water falls from the clouds as rain, snow, and that is the one that flows in the ocean. Rivers, lakes, and streams. Right? So that is when water that falls from the clouds as rain is called collection. That means this is the water that runs from the river, oceans, and lakes and streams. Okay, now what about evaporation? Evaporation is the process by which water changes from a liquid to a gas or vapor. Okay? So this may be a little bit difficult for our nurseries, but I guess K1 and K2 will understand this very well. And I know it's not going to be enough explanation. However, maybe you can ask mommy and daddy's help to fully understand about the water cycle. On this errand, I would like to give you a little bit of activity, right? And all you have to do is label the process of the water cycle. Okay, so if you don't have a printer, if you can't print this at home, not to worry. Like I said, we can just draw it in a piece of paper. You don't have crayons, you don't have markers, is fine. What we could do is just draw it and then mark it. That means you just label it. Okay, label the process of the water cycle. All right, see you later at Zoom time. Okay, so today we're gonna sing a new song called Singing in the Rain. Okay, and like I said, because our story is about raindrops, so we'll connect our music and movement to the song as well. All right, let's do it.
Singing in the rain, we're singing in the rain. What a wonderful feeling with thumbs up. Chee-cha-cha, 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 now sway.
See, follow the movements.
Singing in the rain, we're singing in the rain. What a wonderful feeling with thumbs up. Shoulders back, chee-cha-cha, 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 now sway.
Follow.
Singing in the rain, we're singing in the rain. What a wonderful feeling with thumbs up. Shoulders back, knees together. Chee-cha-cha, 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 now sway.
I'm gonna share you the video later, okay? Put your knees together.
Singing in the rain, we're singing in the rain. Chee-cha-cha, 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 now sway.
You remember? Bottoms up. Last.
Singing in the rain, we're singing in the rain. What a wonderful feeling. Thumbs up, shoulders back, knees together, bottoms out, tongues out. Dee-da-da, 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 now sway.
This is funny. You have to take your tongue out.
Singing in the rain, we're singing in the rain. What a wonderful feeling. Thumbs out, shoulders back, knees together, bottoms out, tongues out, eyes out. Dee-da-da, 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 dee-da-da. No cheating. Now sway. Keep swaying.
Swing.
Hey, I'm getting wet
Close
here.
your eyes.
Sing in the rain.
Good job.
Illustrated by Dubravka Kolanovic. Read by Teresa Gallagher. One dark and stormy day, a little raindrop fell out of a cloud and flew faster and faster through the sky. A gust of wind blew little raindrops sideways, and in a dazzling flash of red, orange, and yellow, he found himself inside a rainbow. Enjoying the beautiful colours, little raindrop fell through green, blue, indigo, and violet before another gust of wind blew him out of the rainbow. Splash! Little raindrop landed in a shallow puddle on top of a large rock. Splish, splash, splosh! Lots of other raindrops fell all around him until the puddle was overflowing. Little raindrop ran down the side of the rock and joined a stream. In the stream, little raindrop drifted through woods and bounced over pebbles. He played with small, shimmering fish and watched them dart around as deer and rabbits came to drink at the water's edge. Sometimes, laughing children would race sticks in the water, and little raindrop would chase them under bridges, dodging the swirling grass and fluttering leaves. After a while, the stream joined a river, and little raindrop floated along in the strong current. At times, the river was calm and peaceful, and little raindrop watched diving kingfishers and larger fish as they swam slowly by. At other times, the river was noisy and rough. Little raindrop raced along rapids and dived down waterfalls, carefully avoiding the jagged rocks at the bottom of the falls. Eventually, the river reached the sea, and little raindrop was pulled far away from the shore. He met friendly dolphins who played and danced in the sunlight and listened as they whistled and clicked their greetings to each other. One day, the tide pulled little raindrop back to the beach. He surfed the waves and crashed onto the shore until finally he came to rest on the soft sand. The sun shone down on the sand, and little raindrop got hotter and hotter until the warmth of the sun drew him up into the air. It was cooler in the sky, and little raindrop joined a cloud that was already full of other raindrops. Little raindrop was ready to fall to earth and begin his journey once more.
Hi guys, I hope you liked the story about the raindrops, the little raindrops, and I hope you really listen very carefully. So later during our Zoom time, tell me, well, did these little raindrops went and who did he met along his journey? And tell me, what are the places that he went? Like, did he go to the river? Did he go to the beach? Did he go to the stream? And did he go into the waterfalls? Right, these questions, we will answer them later on. All right, So I'll see you later at our Zoom time. Bye.